there's no place on Earth quite like Madagascar. And that's because the fourth largest island in the world has some pretty unique residents, namely lemurs. You've probably seen these goofy-looking primates before, but what do you actually know about them? From their nocturnal habits to their incredible agility in the trees, here are some facts about lemurs that will make you look at them in a whole new light. Hi, I'm your host, and this is my channel. Let's get into it. Number 1, they come in all shapes and sizes. If you're picturing a lemur, you might be thinking of a small monkey-like creature with big eyes and an even bigger, bushy tail. And that's just one type of lemur. In fact, there are over 100 species of lemur alive today. Some are tiny, like mouse lemurs, which are only about the size of a sugar glider. Others are huge, like Indri, which can grow to be 7 feet tall and 200 pounds. That's nearly the size of a polar bear. No. 2. They are mostly nocturnal. If you've never heard of nocturnal animals, it means they are active at night. Most lemurs sleep during the day and come out after dark to search for food. This is most likely because they are trying to avoid daytime predators like the fossa, which is a kind of carnivorous lemur. Being nocturnal also helps them survive in the hot climate of Madagascar, since they can avoid the hottest parts of the day by sleeping through them. No. 3. They have excellent eyesight. Since many lemurs are nocturnal, they need excellent eyesight to be able to find their way around in the dark. In fact, some species of lemur have night vision that is 6 times better than ours. Their eyes are much more sensitive to light than ours, and they have a special reflective layer in their eyes. That allows them to see even more clearly in the dark. No. 4. They are great tree dwellers. While some lemurs can certainly hold their own on the ground, most are incredibly agile in the trees. Their long tails help them balance as they jump from branch to branch, and their large eyes help them judge distances while leaping. Their claws also help them grip branches as they climb. And while we're talking about their tails, did you know that not all lemur tails are prehensile? In other words, some lemurs can't grab things with their tails. Only the Indri and the Sifaka have prehensile tails. The rest of the lemur species have non-prehensile tails that are simply great for balance. No. 5. They are social creatures. With the exception of the pygmy and dwarf lemurs, all lemurs live in groups. These groups usually consist of a few adult lemurs and their offspring. The members of a group will spend their days leaping between trees in search of food. And at night, they will come together to groom one another and sleep. Number 6. They communicate using a variety of sounds. Lemurs are known for their distinctive calls, which can be heard echoing through the rainforests of Madagascar at night. Each species of lemur has its own unique call, which it uses to communicate with other members of its group. For example, the Indiri has a loud, haunting call that can carry 4 miles. The Sifaka makes a sound that resembles a human laugh, while the ring-tailed lemur makes a sound similar to a cat's meow. And no! 7. They are endangered. Sadly, many species of lemur are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Their numbers have been declining in recent years, and some species are on the brink of extinction. Mouse lemurs, for example, have been hunted for their fur, while the larger lemurs have been poached for food. The destruction of their rainforest homes has also taken a toll on lemur populations. As more and more of their habitat is destroyed, lemurs are forced to live in smaller and smaller areas, which makes it harder for them to find food and raises the risk of extinction. I sure hope their numbers start increasing again soon. What about you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. And as always, thanks for watching. See ya.